Hello friends, today I am going to unbox a new travel adapter. Recently I ordered it from Amazon. So its a brand name is TESSAN. It's a Chinese brand, but it's very useful. It has like a 3 USB port and Type C port also, and it has as you can see in the side, they have three different switch to bring out the plug pins. So it's an universal travel adapter. So let's open. So at the very beginning, we all know there would be some user manual, as you can see here, in different languages. Yeah, and this is the main thing. Yes, so nothing is here. So this is the adapter, and it looks nice, white and gray combination, as you can see here, all the details. So it's made in China, as I said before, and it's travel adapter and it's universal, so it has all kind of plug pins, and it support from 120 to 250 volt the voltage rating. And as I said before, it has 3 USB-A and 1 Type C. And if I remove the sticker, yeah, so that's the top part. You can put all kind of plugs inside, and here is the standard. So it maintain UK, Europe, Australia, USA, every standard, as you can see here. So USA and Australia, just press this button. So this is for US and Australia when you travel to the US and Australia. Then when you travel in the UK, then press this button and then you can charge your devices. And this is for Europe, I mean European Union, and this is for 2 pin. So that's the thing. And as it's written here, the maximum ampere power, and it's one thing, it's obviously it's AC to AC, so you can't expect DC from here. So this is the thing. So you can also charge your mobile phones and other USB devices with it. So that's it. See you in another next video. Thank you. Bye.